It is no secret the real estate market has been crazy. Stick around to hear my take on our local market. Hey y'all, my name is Mackenzie Harrison and I am a real estate agent licensed in both South Carolina and Georgia. More specifically, our market is the CSRA. It is located right along the Savannah River. My husband and I do this business together. We were both born and raised here. We currently live right down the road from the Augusta National. Speaking of the Augusta National, are there any golf fans out there? Please leave a comment below on whether or not you think Tiger's gonna win another green jacket. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Anyway, if you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting us. If you are new here, hey, welcome. We are so happy to have you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that we can keep you up to date on all things real estate, as well as fun happenings in the area and a little glimpse into our crazy lives. Now, let's get into the real reason why y'all tuned in today. First, let's talk about interest rates, everyone's favorite topic right now. No one knows what the rates are gonna do, not even the Fed. But if you're looking to buy right now, odds are you're probably buying for the next 3 to 6 years. Some of you are looking for your forever home. So what happens if interest rates go up? Great, you bought at the bottom. What happens if they go down? Simple, you refinance to get that lower rate. My point in saying this to you is you cannot time the market. You have to put time in the market and let it work for you. Timing the market rarely ever works. Second, let's talk about the R word. Recession. The media is whispering of a recession. Everything is trending towards a recession. We've even had consecutive dips in the GDP, which by definition means we are in a recession. So why is the housing market not crashing and burning all around us? It's simple. A recession does not mean a market crash. They do not go hand in hand, contrary to popular belief. Let me give you some numbers to kind of back this statement up. So 50% of the houses in North Augusta, South Carolina were built in 2002. 50% of the houses in Augusta, Georgia were built in 1974. 50% of the houses in Evans, Georgia were built in 2006. And 50% of the houses built in Grovetown, Georgia were built in 2013. Do you see a pattern here? The houses are simply not being built at a pace fast enough to keep up with our population. Not to even mention or add in all the new jobs that have come to the area like Amazon and the cybersecurity projects. We're gonna be in a housing shortage for many years, it looks like. Now, I can hear all of you now yelling at me, but the market has slowed down. Yes, the market has absolutely slowed down. It has actually slowed down about 20% since the beginning of the year. Why? Well, that's my third point. The rising interest rates. With the rates increasing, it has knocked a lot of our buyers out of their preferred price point. Along with this, we have seen a shift in the market. We are now seeing houses sit a little bit longer on the market. We are also seeing the prices of houses drop a little bit more often. At the beginning of the year, the days on market were about 9 on average. And now we're averaging anywhere from 55 to 67 days on market. What does this mean for you buyers? That you now have a little bit more leverage. So it's a great time for you to buy. Now, if you can think of a worst case scenario where you still say it's much better to rent than it is to buy right now, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts and I would love to chat with you about that. If you have made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for taking time out of your day and spending it with me. I look forward to seeing you next time.